We're here at the Shutter House. Actually, this is the training grounds. We do the on-the-spot acting like we're doing right now. We're having this SB interview, and I'm the interviewer. I'm Mark Manacta, you know. And we're going to interview Mark Heron. So tell us about what's happening in Shutter Boys. What can the fans can expect from our group?
More videos, more Pogi Squadron, but unfortunately no more Abogam Things because of circumstances surrounding the recent events concerning worldwide activities. So we can further pursue the projects.
I heard that you're having a pictorials with modeling the shirts for the customers to really see the availability of it.
We have a project, pictorial, modeling the new shirt designed by my boy, LB Lester, LB Bravo. Yeah! So just to make it more real and to make the fans believe that we're actually producing it, we've decided to make a pictorial concerning the t-shirt designs. It's all new and unfortunately no warranty. So if you break it, we don't buy it. Meron kami mga bagong shirt, no? Yun lang. Ilalabas namin. Watch out for the design tsaka yung modeling. Ganda lang. Meron kaming modeling sa Bohol, sa Davao, Libya din, masakit pa sa racket. So, baka. Sabihan talaga. Watch out for that, okay?
Takin na sila. Yan naman. Ayun. Abal ko, napon ko. Naman! Yot, puta man. Fuck! Yan sabi ko, tayo na ko eh.